Another really nice day. We're almost at summer. Absolutely perfect. No breeze, no nothing. So today we're going to refly the Telemicro, and as you can see, it's not standard. We had a little issue with the original motor. So it's only supposed to run on a 2-cell, and I've been run on a 3-cell, and you can guess what happened there. So what I've done is I've stuck one of these little multi-star 1704 1900 kVs on there. You can't buy these anymore, and they're not a bad little motor. They were originally bought out in the early days for quads, and you look at that now and you wouldn't put that on a quad. What we've done is we've cut the cowling off, and we've taken the motor off. Now the motor just bolts straight onto that black piece there. So what I've done is I've made up an adapter to take this motor cross piece, and it picked up the original screw. So it's just a round disc with 3 screw holes in it to go into the black piece, and then it's got 4 holes in it for that. So put a 5-inch prop in there. We're going to run that on a 2-cell, and then we're going to try it on a 3-cell. Now I have stuck a bigger ESC in there. The ESC was a 6 amp ESC, and I've put a 12 amp which will run 3S. So it's a little 2S battery jammed up in there. You may be able to see some tape there, some cellophane tape. So I've cut that piece off just there, snigged that out. That allowed me to do all the sexy wiring that I needed to do. So she's all hooked up. The other thing we've got is I've made this up. This is a 3D printed invention of mine. It's just like a little battery case for one of these 0.95 milliamp hour single cell batteries. So the idea is you stick that up in there and it just holds that, and then you get your little camera. Your camera sits there like that, kind of in there. Again, that's my design, and you plug that in there, and that just sits on there as your little backpack. So that is going to sit hopefully on that, and we'll see how we go with the 3-cell, pulling a few more amps and getting a few more bits and pieces out of it. So without any further ado, let's see how we go. We've got high and low rates. So that is going the right way. We have got left and right, up and down, and we've even got rudder. So we'll give them a chuck, see how we go. What can go wrong?